Hi, everyone. It's your favorite house call doctor here, Dr. Jennifer Butler, coming to you live from Orlando. And I've had a lot of family and friends come and visit us here in the Orlando area because we are the land of theme parks. So people are going to everything from Disney to Universal to Legoland. But one thing I think is sometimes overlooked, especially for people who are visiting Orlando or Florida and they're coming from the more northern states, is the heat. It's completely underestimated, even though it's highly welcomed. And one of the complications of that heat can be dehydration. So I wanted to chat a little bit more about what is dehydration, how does it occur, what are some of the symptoms, and then how do we treat it? So dehydration can definitely happen for a number of reasons. One, it's super hot outside. You have a lot of sweating, you're losing a lot of fluid through that sweat. And so that's one major cause. Two, if you have any type of gastrointestinal bug from a virus or maybe some type of bacterial exposure from food that just doesn't agree with you, and you're starting to have things like vomiting and diarrhea, you definitely lose a lot of fluids and electrolytes from your body that way. Three, if you're taking certain medications like antihypertensive or blood pressure medications like diuretics, that can cause you to lose a lot of fluids as well. And then, of course, four, if you have any medical conditions like diabetes or any type of infection that's causing a fever, that can make you lose a lot of fluids as well. So some signs of mild to moderate dehydration include, feeling very thirsty, feeling like your mouth is very dry and sticky, not urinating much, or the color of your urine is very dark. Maybe your skin's very dry. Maybe you're having headaches. Maybe you're having muscle cramps. And so to treat that, you want to consider on water, ice cubes, maybe some sports drinks because they have electrolyte replacement. But I think more importantly, what we always worry about is if you're having severe dehydration symptoms where you're not urinating at all. Maybe the skin is looking really, really shriveled. You're starting to have changes in mental status where, people are like, you seem really confused, irritable, any dizziness. If you were to pass out, your heart rate's really elevated, you're having difficulty breathing, you definitely want to get yourself to the nearest emergency department because you may need to stay in the hospital for observation or may even need to receive IV fluids through a vein to really address your dehydration. So, in summary, to all of our friends and family that are coming to the Orlando area, hanging out at the theme parks, definitely want you to stay hydrated. Make sure you wear your sunscreen, make sure you put on a hat. And if you're not feeling well, definitely seek medical attention. We here at House Concierge MD are always here to support you for any mild to moderate dehydration symptoms. So give us a call at 689 444 5086, and we'll be bringing health to your doorstep. Have a great day.